Whoa. What's up, it's me, your girl Ali D, and welcome to my channel. If you don't already know me, hi, my name is Alyssa, and today I'm vlogging, and I'm going to be doing my college day in my life, since now I am a college freshman. And yes, I am doing online classes, but that's okay. We're gonna make the best of it, and I'm gonna show you guys how I go throughout my day. But first things first, breakfast. Hey guys, so before we get on with the rest of the video, I want to talk to you guys about Starbucks and the Frappuccinos. I always get the Frappuccinos there, specifically the caramel one. And I figured it's going to start to add up if you're going to Starbucks every day. So why not go every 2 days? And in the meantime, you could try my easy homemade Frappuccino recipe. Step number 1 is ice. This is a frozen drink, so you're going to start with your ice and put as much ice as you think you may need. Step number 2 is your coffee. I use the caramel flavored coffee K-Cups by Starbucks. I'm sure you can use whatever kind of coffee you want, but this is what I chose since I do want it to be a caramel frap. I usually make about 2 of those the night before, then stick the coffee into the refrigerator. That case it's all chilled and nice and ready to go the next day whenever it's time to make the frap. Next, I like to go in with the Caramel Macchiato Creamer by International Delight. Again, this was just another thing that I chose because I wanted a caramel frappuccino. This is caramel flavored, so that's what I got. I also used some Smucker's Simple Delight caramel topping. I just chose this because of course it's a caramel frap and I wanted to use this to blend in some with the frap, but I also do use this as a topping as well. Okay, for your fraps, you want the nice slushy, smooth consistency because that's usually how the fraps are made, like all frozen and nice and smooth and then slushy at the same time. So this is the consistency that you want. Next, for the topping, I use the whipped cream, the original Ready Whip that you can get from any local grocery store. This is just the one that I chose. And of course, your finishing touch, the caramel topping. So I now have my breakfast. I just made some hash browns with cheese and some bacon. So now we are just gonna sit here, do my thing, you know. I usually just listen to music, watch Netflix, and get started on work. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my little Frappuccino recipe. I was like, you know, who wants to go to Starbucks every day and spend that much money? Like, that's a lot of money every day to go to Starbucks. So I've been into coffee right now. For some reason, I'm just so into it. Like, I used to didn't drink it that much, like every blue moon, but now I drink it all the time. So I just made up my own little easy Frappuccino recipe. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys try it. And yeah, my arm is getting tired. So I'm about to eat and get started on work. Okay, this is my current setup right now, guys. I'm getting such a late start today. Like, it's 2:29. Like, that's a late start. But hey, look, I woke up at like 12, didn't eat breakfast until like 12:35. But that's how it is when you don't have Zoom meetings or anything like that. Like, you just wake up and just go on whenever you want to. I'm so glad that that's my schedule at the moment until, of course, my English class starts. And my English class starts next week. And we'll meet every Friday for that class, which is still not that bad. So I don't really have schedule for the whole week. And right now I'm taking 3 classes. I'm taking art appreciation, government, and college algebra. Those are my classes, you know? I cannot stand my art appreciation class. My art appreciation class is the worst thing. I thought it was going to be easy because, you know, it's art. No, that teacher, he is the worst. He's the literal worst. But right now, this is my setup. I'm about to do some math. I just finished writing in my little journal. This is my start today journal. This is what I write like my to-do stuff in, and I just usually write things and like check off things as I go. But for today, we have literally two things to do other than schoolwork, of course. But I have to call registrar because I am changing out of my art appreciation class. I will tell you the story later. And I gotta call the library because I need to get a book. And then just, of course, finish this math work because it's due tomorrow. But yeah, now it's time for the music and my little working montage. So let's go. So I've been searching for this book that I need for my government class. I called 2 libraries and both of them told me that they didn't have it. And one told me that they don't even have textbooks there. So I'm probably going to have to get it from Amazon. I'm still doing math. I have finished 3 sections, I think. 3. And I have 10 more to go. So that's crazy, but it's not due until midnight tomorrow. So that's good as well. So I'll probably do like 5 more and then have only 5 to do tomorrow. But literally this is it, y'all. Like this is this online stuff, this online school stuff. Since my school doesn't use Zoom, we use this other thing called Blackboard. I think it's called Blackboard. But that's what we use like if we do have meetings, but my classes don't have meetings, so I don't have to worry about that. The only thing bad about not having meetings is that the only way to get in touch with my teacher is to email them. And some teachers don't want to email you back as fast as you need them to. And it's just kind of like you're trying to get work done and they're over here taking a day and a half to answer you back. Like, but you said email you so I can figure out what's going on. So if I don't get the assignment done in time, that's on you. That is on you, not on me, because you don't want to answer my question. How am I supposed to do the assignment? I'm going to just do it wrong. You know, like that type of thing. I'm just taking a break, breathing, watching some Netflix while I do my math. Let's go back to work. You guys, I was just sitting here struggling to look for my pen. Like I was looking for my pen. It was all tangled up in my blanket because I don't know why, but it was so cold. So I was like, trying to be cozy earlier, but no. I found my pen or whatever, and I was like, you know what? This is another reason why I need a desk. The world is at its most annoying point right now because every time I try to look for something, it's out of stock. They told me, no, we don't have any here. We're unavailable. We don't get any in stock until next week. So hopefully next week, because I finally found one I liked and it's from IKEA. So hopefully next week on the 9th or whenever, I can be able to get my desk. Like I need my desk. And I'm probably going to do 2 videos since I'm trying to make over my room. So I'm probably going to have 2 videos. I'm probably going to have like a desk space video and then like a room transformation video, so stay tuned for those. Guys, whenever I'm doing work, there's like a few albums that I've been listening to, so go check out these albums right now. I'm about to put them on the screen. They're right here on the screen. These are all the albums that I've been listening to right now, or the people that I've been listening to mainly right now. They just give me those vibes, they give me the good vibes that I need to get into the productive mode. Hey guys, so before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I post a video. Trust me, I won't let you guys down. Also, comment down below anything you guys want. Just be sure to keep it positive. Follow me on my social medias. They are here on the screen and they will be also in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.